Welcome. Today we explore the nitinol tube market. Advanced medical and aerospace technologies demand materials that remember their shape, and nitinol tubes deliver exactly that. In 2024, the global nitinol tube market is valued at approximately USD 1.35 billion. The market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 7.4%, reaching nearly USD 2.4 billion by 2032. Nitinol, a nickel-titanium shaped memory alloy, offers superelasticity, corrosion resistance, and thermal memory properties, making it ideal for precision applications. Nitinol tubes are widely used in cardiovascular stents, catheters, orthopedic devices, and increasingly in aerospace actuation systems. North America leads with nearly 40% market share, driven by strong medical device manufacturing. Europe accounts for around 30% share, supported by advanced healthcare infrastructure. Asia-Pacific holds approximately 22% share, fueled by expanding medical device production in China and Japan. Latin America and Middle East and Africa together represent under 8%, with steady healthcare sector expansion. Growth is powered by rising demand for minimally invasive surgeries, increasing prevalence of cardiovascular diseases, technological advancements in shape memory alloys, growth in high-performance aerospace applications. Bottom line, nitinol tubes are a critical material enabling next-generation medical and engineering innovations. Visit www.𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏marketresearch.com or email us at inquiries@𝗏𝗏𝗏marketresearch.com for more details.